need to discover the magic of making mornings feel fresh, bright, and effortlessly calm. Here's how I create the perfect wake-up blend. Hi, I'm Terri from Simply Earth. Today, we're making the Daybreak Diffuser Blend, the perfect way to start your morning. This blend is a beautiful balance of uplifting, calming essential oils, giving you the energy and clarity you need to take on the day. Trust me, once you try this, your mornings will never be the same. But before we get started, let me tell you why we love DIY at Simply Earth. We make it crazy easy to create natural products at home. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get everything you need to make this blend delivered straight to your door. Plus, your first box comes with a free bonus box, and it's full of extra goodies. Or you can grab everything you need for this recipe at simplyearth.com. How easy. So here's the deal. Store-bought home fragrances are full of harsh chemicals, synthetic additives, and who knows what toxins. Yuck. With Simply Earth, you get 100% pure essential oils, nothing else. Instead of filling your home with mystery ingredients, you can surround yourself with safe, natural aromas. Who wouldn't want that? So turn off all your distractions, grab your box, and clear your mind, because making natural recipes is not just fun, it is self-care, people. So let's create this fresh, bright, and balanced diffuser blend and give your mornings the uplifting start they deserve. Let's make the Daybreak Diffuser Blend together. Here's what you're gonna need from your box. 2 drops of Good Vibes. This will brighten your mood with its fresh and citrusy aroma. 2 drops of Head Soothing Blend. This is one of my favorites. It helps ease tension and promote relaxation. And let's face it, having head and neck discomfort is no fun. 1 drop Rosemary Essential Oil. This boosts your focus and your mental clarity. Who doesn't need that? And of course, a 5 ml amber glass bottle. This is perfect for storing your master blend. So let's mix it up. So here are the instructions. Add essential oils to your diffuser according to its instructions. Diffuse in an open space. Want to make a stock bottle of this recipe? Grab a 5 ml amber glass bottle from your free big bonus box and add 40 drops of Good Vibes, 40 drops of Head Soothing Blend, and 20 drops of rosemary. Swirl to mix. Don't forget to label your master blend. It's so uplifting and refreshing. It's like a spa day for my senses. Did you see how easy that was? You can make this Daybreak Diffuser Blend too. When you make this recipe, take a picture, share it on social media with hashtag I made this. Tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our page. Woohoo! For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. If you love this video, and I sure hope you do, check out the ones on your screen for more fun, easy, and toxin-free DIY recipes. See you next time.